Hi everyone. So for the fitness facility slash restaurant project, I chose to create my own fitness facility. And I would name this fitness facility Pace, just kind of playing off like you pace yourself when you go to the gym. So I think Pace is just a really sleek and modern name for this gym. And the slogan is, "We've got the secret formula, privacy." Because the main feature of this gym is privacy. So think about a traditional gym. There's machines surrounded like everywhere on one floor, usually one floor. There's machines everywhere, and there's not a whole lot of privacy. Like, yes, there's a lot of machines like treadmills and ellipticals and bikes and weight benches and things like that. But oftentimes, I feel like people are deterred from using those machines because either they don't feel comfortable using them or they don't want people to like look at them funny if they don't exactly know what they're doing. So to eliminate that, I would create this two-story gym and I would put it on King Street where the Jones House is currently located, just because I think it's like the central most location on King Street and it's like accessible to the most people. So it would be a two-story gym. On the bottom floor, it would be like a traditional gym where it has like an open floor plan kind of with like a basketball court and these treadmills and ellipticals and bikes and things like that you would traditionally find in a gym. But then when you go to the upstairs floor, there would be private rooms that you could book, and you could book them online before you like went to the gym, just to reserve a space, so that if you didn't want to work out, with a lot of people around you, you have the privacy to work out in this own room. So the room would come with a stair climber, a treadmill, and then a weight bench. I think that that is three key things or three key machines that people always want to use. So in this private room, that's what it would come with. And this gym would be grant funded, and ideally, it would consist of clients that have been referred to by their doctors for weight issues such as obesity or just rapid weight gain or what have you. But ideally, everyone that went to this gym would have a like mindset of just wanting to lose weight. So yeah, I hope you guys like it.